Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, can people see your Google Photos? And let's get started by open Google Photos application. Right here you need to click at your profile icon at the right top and then go to Google Photos settings. Maybe you need to scroll down right here, click at the Google Photos settings, then go to the sharing, manage sharing activities, and we need to check right here. So right here you have your shared link. If you and with this link people can see your photos, but you can remove it by click at the remove click at the trash icon near to the photo and delete it. And we just delete the link. I recommend it to also check shared memories. Maybe you need to remove some people. Also right here we have conversation, and you can check it right here. If you don't need some conversation, you can click on it, then click at the three dots, options, and right here you can leave this conversation by click at the leave button and then click leave again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.